specifically geared towards that. It's not specifically in that order, but it's just basic information that you can take from all levels between grades 6 and 12. So I'm going to introduce the panel now. We have a panel of master teachers with over, I don't even want to date them like that, a lot of years. They just got a lot of years. We're not going to say a number. So we'll start over here to my far left. This is Julia Peters. She has a master's in education. Ain't Julia? Then second next to her is my mother, Diane Clemens. She has a master's in early childhood development and education. Next to her is Marilyn Thompson. She's a master's in education as well. And then next to her, directly next to her, is Mrs. Rachel. Rachel, this is my cousin. What's your last name? I'm sorry. Blunt. That's what it was. I didn't know. So Rachel has a master's in education as well. And then on the end, the far end, my aunt Vera Wiseman. She has a master. It's not Wiseman anymore? Oh, okay. So this is my family. They have a lot of years of education, and what we're trying to do is just give back to you guys and prepare you guys with information that they feel is pertinent throughout their years of experience, so we can pass it forward so these children can get caught up in areas that they might be lacking in or need help in. So if you guys will just wake up, because we're going to start with a little chant. And team, if y'all want to go ahead and stand up, we want to pull out the chant, the firecracker. If you go through your packet, it looks like this right here. It should be on the front. It should start, it'll look like this, and it'll say firecracker, boom, boom, boom. That's the one right there. And if you guys will let me know, everybody got it? Good. So this is going to be an interactive session, okay? So y'all are going to, you can act like that if you want, but everybody going to answer some questions. I'm just letting you know now, we finna all talk to each other. So if you pull out that, the way this works is, we're going to say these chants together, okay? And so the first time the team will say it, and then the second time you guys will say it, all right? So y'all ready, team? 1, 2, 3. Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Sharpen our pencils, we'll do the rest. We're getting ready to pass our test. One more time. Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Sharpen our pencils, we'll do the rest. We're getting ready to pass our test. All right, now, y'all turn. So we all gonna do it together now, all right? Can y'all stand up for me? Let's go and stand up. Get out y'all seats. Sandra, I know y'all in middle school, but I don't know. Oh, high school. Go and get up, high schoolers. Cassandra. All right. Now, we gonna get hyped in here. Let's go, team. 1, 2, 3. Firecracker, firecracker. I can't hear y'all. Okay. To pass our test. You know what? We finna take them door prizes and them snacks, and we just gonna have to hold on. Y'all hungry? Okay. So y'all want them Chick-fil-A? Y'all want all? Okay. That's all right. Y'all don't have to participate.